This is the digital story assignment, and this is my introduction page. The first objective is Objective 1, which uses a variety of assessment tools to monitor student progress, achievement, and learning gains. And we had covered this in this class because we had a variety of assignments that assist us in different ways rather than a traditional quiz. And we used discussions to connect with other students, and we did different kinds of projects, including this project. We did a newsletter to act as if we were having a newsletter for our class, and other awesome projects. Our Objective 2 is support, encourage, and provide specific feedback to students to promote student achievement. In the class, we used discussions to give feedback to each other, and the grade book allowed feedback to students about their work. So in the discussions, we were allowed to feedback to all the students if we wanted, or one, and you could ask questions and just see if their discussion was the same as yours, if they had the same opinions. And in the grade book, the professor gave feedback to us about certain projects. If we did well, he said good job. If not, he told us what we should work on or what we needed to fix. For Objective 3, this is relate subject matter to life experiences and across disciplines. So life experiences in this class, we had related it to discussions, because in discussions our professor gave us scenarios to discuss. If we were in the classroom, what kind of AUP would you want to have for your class, or what kind of scenarios were there for technology and all this different stuff. So we were allowed to discuss different scenarios that were related to our real life situations. Now, Objective 4 is use technology to organize and integrate assessment data. We had covered this in the class because the technology used is Canvas, which is brand new for us, but Canvas organizes all the data in all of your classes, so you can log in and use the Canvas app if you want to, so you can log in from your mobile device, and this organizes all the assessments and your assignments, and you can access everything, so it makes it really easy to be on the move and do your homework. So thank you for this, and this is the conclusion, the end. Thank you.